Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best activities and tours in Costa Rica that are perfect for families traveling with kids. We're talking about experiences that will not only excite and engage your little ones, but also create lasting memories for the whole family. Costa Rica is known for its lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and incredible wildlife. And let me tell you, it's the perfect playground for kids. From ziplining through the jungle canopy to getting up close and personal with sloths, there's something for everyone in your crew. So buckle up, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an adventure-packed journey as we explore the top kid-friendly activities Costa Rica has to offer. Let's get started. First up, we're heading to La Paz Waterfall Gardens, a true gem nestled in the heart of Costa Rica. This place is not just a garden, it's one of the largest animal sanctuaries in Costa Rica, offering a safe haven for a variety of species. Now this place is a kid's dream come true. Imagine your little ones exploring and discovering the wonders of nature. Imagine 5 breathtaking waterfalls cascading down lush greenery, creating a serene and magical atmosphere. And all around you, the vibrant sights and sounds of the rainforest envelop you, making you feel truly immersed in nature. Kids will be mesmerized by the hummingbird garden, a place where hundreds of these tiny, colorful creatures flit and buzz around feeders. It's a sight to behold, watching these delicate birds up close as they dart around, feeding and interacting. And get this, you can even walk right through a butterfly observatory, surrounded by fluttering wings and vibrant colors. Witness the incredible life cycle of these colorful insects, from caterpillar to chrysalis to butterfly. But the real stars of the show are the animals. La Paz Waterfall Gardens is home to a variety of rescued animals. You'll find rescued monkeys swinging playfully, and sloths lounging in their enclosures. And even a jaguar sanctuary, where you can see these majestic creatures up close in a safe environment. Imagine the look on your kids' faces when they come face to face with these amazing creatures, creating memories that will last a lifetime. And the best part? The walkways and trails are stroller-friendly, making it easy to navigate with even the littlest explorers. Whether you're pushing a stroller or walking hand in hand, the paths are designed for family convenience. Trust me, La Paz Waterfall Gardens is a must-visit for families looking to experience the magic of Costa Rica's rainforest. It's an adventure that promises wonder and excitement for all ages. Next, we're setting sail for Tortuguero National Park, a remote and pristine paradise on the Caribbean coast. Now this place is a nature lover's dream, and it's especially magical for kids who are fascinated by wildlife. The best way to experience Tortuguero is by boat, cruising along the canals and taking in the incredible biodiversity of this unique ecosystem. Keep your eyes peeled for caimans lurking in the water, monkeys swinging through the trees, and toucans with their vibrant beaks. But the real highlight of Tortuguero is the turtle nesting. From February to October, thousands of sea turtles, including leatherbacks and green turtles, come ashore to lay their eggs on the beaches. Imagine the unforgettable experience of witnessing these gentle giants nesting in their natural habitat. And don't worry, there are guided night tours available that are safe and respectful to the turtles. This is an incredible opportunity to teach your kids about conservation and the importance of protecting these endangered species. Alright, adventure seekers, get ready to soar through the rainforest canopy on a zip-lining adventure in Monteverde. This isn't just any ordinary zip-lining experience, it's a journey through one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. Imagine gliding above the treetops with the lush greenery stretching out as far as the eye can see. This is not your average playground swing set, folks. The equipment is state-of-the-art, designed to ensure your safety while maximizing the thrill. We're talking about adrenaline-pumping thrills as you fly through the air, surrounded by breathtaking views of the cloud forest. The dense foliage, the misty atmosphere, and the sheer height all combine to create an unforgettable experience. Monteverde is famous for its ziplining, and for good reason. The region offers some of the best ziplining courses in the world, attracting thrill seekers from all corners of the globe. There are numerous reputable companies that offer a variety of courses, ranging from beginner-friendly to expert level. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. Trust me, there's nothing quite like the feeling of freedom and exhilaration as you zip from platform to platform, high above the forest floor. The rush of wind, the sense of speed, and the panoramic views make it an experience like no other. And the best part? Many ziplining locations in Monteverde also offer other exciting activities like Tarzan swings, hanging bridges, and even Superman cables. These additional adventures add even more excitement to your day. It's like stepping into an action movie, and your kids will be talking about it for years to come. The sense of adventure and the joy of conquering new challenges make it a perfect family activity. Just imagine the look on their faces as they conquer their fears and experience the thrill of a lifetime. The sense of accomplishment and the memories created are truly priceless. Zip-lining in Monteverde is an experience that will stay with them forever. It's not just an adventure, it's a story they'll tell for years, a memory that will always bring a smile to their faces. Get ready to slow down and appreciate the gentler side of Costa Rica's wildlife with a visit to a sloth sanctuary. These adorable creatures have stolen the hearts of people all over the world, and for good reason. Their slow, deliberate movements and gentle nature are endlessly fascinating. There are several ethical sloth sanctuaries in Costa Rica that are dedicated to rescuing, rehabilitating, and releasing sloths back into the wild. These sanctuaries offer guided tours where you can learn all about these amazing creatures and their importance to the rainforest ecosystem. Imagine the look on your kids' faces as they observe sloths up close in their natural habitat. They'll learn about their diet, their unique adaptations, and the challenges they face in the wild. And the best part? You'll be supporting a good cause. By visiting an ethical sloth sanctuary, you're contributing to the conservation of these incredible animals. Last but not least, we're ending our adventure in paradise at Manuel Antonio National Park. This stunning destination is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Costa Rica. Nestled along the Pacific coast, it offers a unique blend of natural beauty and wildlife. This place is a true gem with pristine beaches, lush rainforest, and an abundance of wildlife. The park spans over 1,600 acres of land and 135,000 acres of marine reserve, making it a haven for nature lovers. It's the perfect place to relax and soak up the natural beauty of Costa Rica. Whether you're lounging on the beach or exploring the forest trails, there's something for everyone here. Now, Manuel Antonio is known for its playful monkeys, so be prepared for some up-close encounters. These curious creatures are often seen swinging through the trees and interacting with visitors. You'll likely spot white-faced capuchin monkeys, howler monkeys, and even squirrel monkeys as you explore the park's trails. These tiny primates are incredibly agile and a delight to watch. But the real highlight of Manuel Antonio is its beaches. Imagine white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise waters, and lush greenery as far as the eye can see. The contrast between the vibrant green forest and the blue ocean is simply breathtaking. It's the perfect place to spend the day swimming, sunbathing, and building sandcastles with your kids. The gentle waves and warm sand make it an ideal spot for family fun. And keep your eyes peeled for sloths. These slow-moving creatures are often found hanging from the trees, blending in with the foliage. Manuel Antonio is home to both two-toed and three-toed sloths, and you might just spot one hanging out in the trees near the beach. Their presence adds a magical touch to the already enchanting landscape. Trust me, Manuel Antonio National Park is the perfect ending to your unforgettable family adventure in Costa Rica. The sunsets here are spectacular, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, making it a truly memorable experience. Thanks for watching. We hope you found some great ideas for your next family trip to Costa Rica. From chasing waterfalls to zip-lining through the rainforest, there's an adventure waiting for everyone in your family. Remember, Costa Rica is a country that embraces the Pura Vida lifestyle, which is all about embracing the simple joys of life and living in harmony with nature. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Please subscribe and support our team by joining this channel. Your membership helps us grow. See you in the next video.